Hey y'all, Alyssa. Okay, let's talk about Scribblet. It's a website for ELA. And oh my gosh, so it's totally free. It requires a membership. So you go in and you type in your email address, and that's your membership. And then the kids can go in there and write. They just write. It has storylines, it has prompts, it has, do you want to create a graphic novel? Do you want to create a regular story? Do you want to create a comic? Endless. It's so fun, and so they just go in there and create whatever little story that you want to have them do. And then it saves. All of that is free, and then if they want to publish it, of course, you can pay for that, and like they can send it off to the publisher, and like it can get printed. How rad! Like how cool! And so my standards are under facilitator, and it's 2.6 for my facilitator, and then 2.5 for designer. So the you're facilitating technological learning and classroom, and also you're facilitating good citizenship, digital citizenship. And for my empowering leader, it's 3.3, more specifically 3.3C. And so I chose this website to help them hone those writing and creating skills. It has an illustrator, so they can go in and choose from clip art. They can draw their own and design their own art to illustrate their little novel. Excuse me. And then, of course, save it and edit it, and then they can go in and show different editing options as well.